Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Steph. You have read by the title, and yes, it's true. I am going to London. I am so excited. Please excuse my morning voice. I just got up 30 minutes ago. It's currently 8 in the morning, and I'm ready because my mom, and my dad are heading for a COVID test. Because obviously, before we travel, we definitely have to give a COVID test. I am so excited. I'm sorry from past 1 week I did not upload because I was caught up with things like my assignments because I'm traveling and stuff. But the vlogs are gonna get insane. London is gonna be fun, baby, and I'm so excited. It's all of a sudden I'm traveling after internationally after 1.5 years, and I'm so freaking excited to travel. So I'm gonna take you guys along and hope you guys have fun like I have, and let's go. Okay, so we have reached Al Hilal Hospital for the COVID test. Okay, change in plans. We're not going to the Al Hilal Hospital because when we went for the COVID test, they informed us that the report will be given to us by 12 o'clock midnight, and that's the time when we're leaving for the airport because our flight is at 3 a.m. So this is not gonna work, and usually the hospitals give within 6 or 8 hours, but then this is gonna take a lot of time, so we are gonna go to another hospital, I guess Al Shifa, I don't know, but yeah. Correction, sorry, my dad's home. Sorry, correction. We are heading to BMC, which is the Pari Medical Center, for the COVID test. Hi guys, just got done with the COVID test, and oh my god, it was so painful. But the best thing, they put in the thing just in one of my nostrils, not both. But usually last time when I did my COVID test, it was both. But this time it was only one. I'm glad it's done. Now we're gonna head home. Lots of packing and cleaning to do. So yeah. Hi guys. Say hi, mom. Okay, so change in plans. I don't know why am I saying the wrong plans, but we have come to do right now because we need to run some last minute errands. My sister needs some stuff from here, so we need to get that. Okay, I'm back home right now. Came back from Lulu, kept all the stuff, had my breakfast, and back. But before heading off to packing and things, I want to show you something. Okay, so we were lucky enough because soon as we reached home, something just delivered. So are you guys excited? I'm so excited to show you. So in 3, 2, 1, ta-da! Oh my god, guys, a Marc Jacobs bag. So this is my sister's birthday gift. Her bag has delivered. We ordered it a couple of weeks ago, and it's finally here. And guys, Michael Kors, this is actually my mom's bag. She got herself a bag, and literally my mom, soon as my sister left, my mom was just like how do we go shopping? Usually around Fridays, my dad always plays cricket. When Stav is there, she takes us to city center, but otherwise we do Uber. But when Stav is not there, it's too, boring enough to always shop in city center. So my mom was like, let's do some online shopping and get something for Stav, and then we did. And guess what? We got her a Marc Jacobs bag. She wanted one. She was all when she was here, she was like, we need to get something from Marc Jacobs. Marc Jacobs that, Marc Jacobs this, the bag, things. So we were just like, you know what, mama? I was like, let's gift her one. So we were doing a little shopping, and mom was like, she needs a new bag because we are going to London, and that's the reason she got her bag. I'm going to show you guys how the bag looks. So this is my mom's bag. This is like a normal tote kind of a bag. Ta-da! Here's the bag. It's a tote kind of a bag, Michael Kors. I love this bag. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, and this is, sorry for my voice, this is my sister's birthday gift. I'm not going to show you guys, I'm not going to open it much because I want her to open it, the birthday girl to open it, but I will definitely pop up a picture over here so you guys have an idea how does it look. She's going to get really excited, I'm definitely sure. And don't worry, I know you guys might be thinking Stephanie, her birthday is not yet, and I'm gonna not continue the vlog until the birthday. So how is it gonna work? Because I'm uploading this video on her birthday. So till that time, she'll definitely know what all gifts she got. And now we are gonna head off to packing because we have tons of shit to do. My room looks the shittiest right now, and yeah. been quite a very long time now. It's currently 10:57 p.m., which is 11 p.m. Our flight is at 3:35 a.m. So I guess we're gonna leave at like 12. I don't know. I'm really sorry I didn't vlog for a very long time because I was really busy packing. Turns out to be my luggage was kind of excess, so I had to repack things. So I'm finally back. I took a bath, painted my nails, my toenails, and I'm all ready. Took my outfit for the airport. I'll definitely show you guys. And yeah, now the only thing left is to get ready and then head off. All the suitcases are out and we are gonna order our Uber and head off to the airport. Okay, so we have reached the airport. I'm also very excited because this is the first time I'm going inside the new Paris International Airport. Off we go! Hi, so we are checking in our luggages and as soon as this is done, we'll be heading in. The airport is so big. We have to walk so much from the entry point to the luggage area. Okay, so we had a quick pit stop to Starbucks, obviously. We thought of going to the gate, but they sent us back because we're not allowed to take drinks. But the Starbucks guy just made my day. Look at this. Oh, it's so cute. I really love it. It's my usual order. Green tea frap with 5 pumps of caramel. And I'm gonna finish this drink, head to the gate. Hi, so we have come to our gate number 15. We're waiting for a flight to board. It boards around like 2:55 a.m. It's currently 1:21 a.m. So we have quite a lot of time. Okay, so I've come to the restroom over here. I had to walk from gate number 15 to the end, and it's worth it because, I mean, damn, look at the lighting. It's amazing. I filmed some TikToks, took some amazing boomerangs and pictures, and now I'm gonna head back to my gate because I'm sure my parents are freaking out. Where am I? Because I took a lot of time over here. And I'm sure the service lady over here is really pissed at me because I filmed so many TikToks that she's definitely irritated by me. Not me not knowing that the escalators over here work. Well, I had to walk all over to the restroom, but there's an escalator. Wow. It's really hot. That's why I tied my hair up. We boarding finally. I don't know if you all can hear me, but I've got my seat. I am all alone right now. I've got the 4-seater one. I always need someone while flying to hold your hand. I guess I'm just gonna use the seat's handle. And yeah, we are heading off to Dubai right now. 3:35 is our flight. We boarded off late. It's 3 a.m. and we're gonna reach Dubai and then 7 a.m. ish. We're gonna leave from there to London. I'm excited and yeah. Okay, the flight is moving. The feeling is so exciting. I don't know if you can hear me. If you can't, I'm putting subtitles. Hi guys, we landed Dubai. Thank God it was a safe flight. And now we are waiting until the doors are open and then we'll head on to the bus. And then the bus will take us to our gate, like the terminal thing. And then after 2 hours is our flight to London. We're waiting for the gate to open. Once it's open, right inside the flight. We are heading! We are boarding our flight right now. Hi guys! So, seat number is 84G, literally the last. A few seats in front, but still we are literally in the last compartment. Again, there's no one beside me, but there are more passengers to come, so then we'll see. And then we're heading. I'll keep you guys updated.
local time is 10 minutes to 1.5 known, and the temperature is 70 degrees Celsius.
We reached! So we just finished the immigration and we came down for claiming our baggage, and we are waiting for our luggages to arrive. Okay, so it's currently 17 degrees Celsius and it is drizzling. I'm excited because it's fall season, baby. I'm so happy. Last time also we came in fall season, but last time my filming skills were very bad. Please excuse me. It's currently 2:11 p.m. Oh my god, look at the clouds. I'm dying to click the cloud pictures. Ah! We in London, babe. So we have reached our hotel. This is the Hard Rock Hotel in the central London. We made sure we got a hotel in the central London so that it'll be easier for us to travel places. Like everything is always in the central London. I am so happy to be back in London. The hotel's music is like the rock music, so I'm sure I'll get copyrighted. But I can't wait to show you guys the place. This is such a beautiful place. My sister lives in Coventry, so she's taking the Uber from there and coming. So she's on her way. I can't wait to meet Stav. And my cousin from Ireland, she's also going to be there. She was also there in the Ireland vlog 4 years back, I guess. So that's going to be there again. Even her fiance will be there. I'm so excited for you guys to meet him. I have not met him in person though. So even I'm excited. It's going to be the first meetup. I'm excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I know I've mentioned this word so many times. You guys are fed up, but you guys have to bear with me, please. Here she comes. Oh my god, she looks so good. Hi, you guys are on the suitcase, and it's really hard because it's a carpet over here. Our room number is 1019. I hope you can hear me. Yeah. Okay, so we reached the hotel room, so I'm going to show you guys the hotel room now. Okay, so that is it for the video. I am really sorry. It's been a day. I did not end my last vlog because I was so sleepy and jet lagged because of the traveling and things. So I just slept at 6:30 without ending my vlog. But I hope you guys really enjoyed watching it. And I can't wait to film more vlogs in London because we're in London, baby. And I'm so happy and excited. Next vlogs are going to be really fun because it's going to be sister's birthday and much more exciting things. So I love you guys so much. If you love the vlog, don't forget to give this video a big like. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button to be notified whenever I post a new video. I love you guys a lot and I'll see you guys soon. Till then, stay safe and don't forget to always keep smiling. Love you. Bye-bye.